What is up, everyone? It is Willette with Urbex and Coasters, and honestly, as far as this channel goes, there isn't a ton to show off here on Orcas Island where I live, but I did find some cool old school farm machinery that I thought was worth showing off. The museum is currently closed, but they will be reopening before my current contract is up, so we should get to see the whole thing at some point. Got some wagon wheels here, an old school log cabin, and of course we got our wagon here. Got a few other pieces of machinery on the other side that I will be showing off. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm gonna try to at least upload something every few weeks. And I'm gonna be going to the spring fair in Puyallup in a few weeks, so that'll be fun. And then we've got a compost pile here. That's always good to see them doing that. But yeah, I'll show the front of this log cabin building just so that there's a chance to show it off. So you can see there's more equipment here. And here is the front of the building. And as you can see, it's in a pretty cool park here. So yeah, that'll probably do it for this little look at this old school farm equipment here in East Sound, Washington.